Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. So today we just have a quick, little easy tip, throw line and rope installation. I know we talk about it a lot, and for good reason, because getting our throw line and our rope installed from the ground is very critical, it makes life easy. So in this instance, for an example, I wanted to shoot from the back side of this tree, but there was no ideal position to throw from. So I shot from the front, but I do not want to pull my rope from back to the front of the tree. I want my rope to be from the front side going over to the back. Now you could, yes you could, come over this way and begin to pull all of your throw line down. But if it's not a high throw, or you didn't utilize a lot of your throw line, because a lot of the cases with me, I always use 200 foot of throw line, even with 150 foot of throw line. Instead of just pulling everything back that way, or even double bagging, right? Because sometimes the two throw cubes are at our disposal. This little tip might help you out. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to tie a clove hitch on this side. All right, feed my rope right through this way, and the way you tie it on may be dictated because of how open or closed that branch union is. So now at this point, I can just begin to pull this rope up. And yes, you will have a little bit of drag because you have throw line going through and everything, but that's no worries if you wanted to do it this way, because now I didn't have to pull up 200 foot of rope or throw line and everything like that, and I got my rope installed the way I wanted to. But this is just a quick, simple, little easy tip to help with your throw line endeavors, right? Because throw line is not always easy, especially with me. I get 50-50, days I'm on, days I'm off. But hopefully this helps you out. Check us out at bartlettman.com, or you can Google us, Bartlett Arborist Supply. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.